Are you tired of guessing what works on YouTube? You post a video, you wait, and nothing. Or maybe you get some views, but you have no idea why. Stop the guesswork. Learn exactly which analytics to track to grow your channel fast. In this video, I'll walk you through the 4 key tabs in YouTube Studio Analytics: Overview, Content, Audience, and Revenue. You'll know exactly what each metric means and how to use it. No fluff, just the stuff that actually moves the needle. So let's start with the first step, getting into the analytics dashboard. Head over to studio.youtube.com and sign in. On the left-hand menu, you'll see the Analytics tab. Click it. This is your command center, and right away, you'll see 4 tabs at the top. Once you're in Analytics, the Overview tab gives you a quick snapshot of your channel's performance over the last 28 days. Think of it as your dashboard's dashboard. It shows your top video, your real-time activity, and the big 4 metrics: views, watch time, subscribers, and revenue if you're monetized. It's a great place to start your day. Now, let's dive deeper into the Content tab to see where your views come from. This is where the real detective work happens. You'll see a list of all your videos sorted by views. Click on any video, and you'll get a breakdown of traffic sources. Did people find you through YouTube search, suggested videos, or maybe external sites? That tells you exactly what's working. Next, the Audience tab reveals who your viewers are and when they watch. This is gold for scheduling. You'll see the age range, gender, and most importantly, when your audience is on YouTube. If you know your viewers are most active on Saturdays at 2 p.m., that's when you should hit Publish. If you're monetized, the Revenue tab shows your earnings. It breaks down your estimated revenue, RPM, and which videos are bringing in the most money. It's a great way to see what content is not just popular, but profitable. All right, let's break down the key metrics, starting with views. Views are the most obvious metric, but they're just the surface level. A high view count means people are clicking, but it doesn't tell you if they stuck around. Watch time is even more important than views. YouTube's algorithm loves watch time. It's the total minutes people spent watching your content. More watch time means YouTube is more likely to recommend your videos to others. So don't just chase views, chase minutes watched. Average view duration tells you if your content is engaging. If your average view duration is low, it means people are clicking off early. And that's a signal you need to hook them faster or deliver the value sooner. Subscriber growth shows how your channel is expanding. But here's the thing. Don't stress about subscriber count every day. What matters is the trend over time. Are people subscribing after watching your videos? If not, check your content and your call to action. Traffic sources reveal how viewers find your videos. YouTube search means your titles and descriptions are working. Suggested videos means YouTube is pushing your content. Browse features means it's appearing in the homepage feed. Each source tells you a different story. Identify your top-performing videos to replicate success. Look at your videos with the highest average view duration and the most traffic from search. What do they have in common? The topic, the thumbnail style, the length? That's your formula. Real-time analytics show immediate performance. This is great for the first few hours after you upload. You can see exactly how many views your new video is getting and where those viewers are coming from right now. Compare different time periods to spot trends. Use the date range picker to compare this month to last month or this year to last year. Are you growing? Is watch time up? That tells you if your strategy is working. Export data for deeper analysis in spreadsheets. Click the blue Export button in the top right corner. You can download your data as a CSV file and slice it however you want. This is especially useful if you're tracking specific KPIs over time. Advanced mode lets you filter by geography, device, and more. Click Advanced mode at the top of any tab. Want to see how your videos perform on mobile versus desktop, or in the US versus India? This is where you get that granular data. Audience retention graphs show exactly where viewers drop off. This is one of the most powerful tools in YouTube Studio. Open a video's analytics and scroll to Audience Retention. If you see a big drop at the 30-second mark, you know your intro needs work. If people stick around until the middle and then leave, maybe you're dragging the explanation out. Finally, use these insights to tweak your content strategy. This is where the data meets reality. If your audience retention drops at a certain point, cut that part out next time. If traffic from search is low, optimize your titles. If your audience is mostly on mobile, make sure your text is readable on small screens. It's a constant cycle of test, learn, and improve. And there you have it. You now know exactly where to look and what to look for in YouTube Studio Analytics. No more guessing, just data-driven decisions that help you grow. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more data-backed strategies.